Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka and I welcome you all to my session. Let's go for our question. It says that suppose you have focused on a screen the image of candle flame placed at the farthest end of the laboratory table using a convex lens. If your teacher suggests you to focus the parallel rays of the sun reaching your laboratory table on the same screen, what are you expected to do? To do is to move the lens towards the screen, lens slightly away from the screen, lens slightly towards the sun, or lens and screen both towards the sun. Now, it is a very simple one marker question covering basic concepts. So, please listen to what I am saying carefully. The answer for this question is option A. Let's just see how. Okay, so in this case of candle flame, the object is placed beyond C. That means the image is formed between C and F. In the second case, the object, that is the sun, is at infinity. So the image will be formed at focus. This means that the distance between the image and the lens has decreased in the second case. So either we have to move the screen towards the lens or lens towards the screen. So as per the options given, it has to be solution, or we can say option A, that is lens slightly moved towards the screen. So it was a very simple question, just having a basic understanding of where the object is and where the image should be formed. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.